we have multiple BRD. Okay, so let's say here I will write like BRD summary of like FFM. So this is is one of our like application. So let's say this is just the heading I want to give. So click on this alignment to keep it on the center. Then make this font a little bit larger, bold this, and also underline this. Okay. Then let me clear all of these. Okay. Okay. So let me copy some document information and paste it here. Okay. So like here is the like we have some information or the requirement documentation here. So what we can do, just we if we want to, okay, if we want to make it like the justify, then we can justify this. So it's looking good now. And also if you want to change the font, we can change the font from here, and I think you guys already know. So here we have like some popular and common fonts like Arial, Times New Roman, Calibri Light. Okay, so here I just selected the Calibri, and also I want to make it little bit larger. Okay, so this is how you can do this. And also like if you want to like do some information or some information into the bullet point, you can do that also. So to doing this, you have to just simply like here, let me just I want to do this part into the bullet point. So you can simply press enter here and enter here, enter here. Okay, and then select this and click on this bullet point. So see, it will make the bullet point. Okay, and also like if you want to change the instead of the bullet point, if you want to giving the number, you can select the number, so it will just add you the number, and if you press more, it will like add more number. Okay, and also if you want to change some bullet points, like bullet library, it's actually bullet library. So if you select this, it will actually show you like this. Okay, so all these based on your like beautification. Okay, so then also here, if you want to put any like a spacing between the lines, so simply you can do this. You can select this, then you can select okay, by the way it's showing no spacing. So here uh, 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 okay, sorry. So basically this part is predefined some predefined function here. So just if you simply click here, like if I simply click on the no spacing, it will remove all the spacing between the lines. See? And also if I select normal, it will change the font. Okay, it will give the basic font and the basic font size. Okay, and also like if I select this one and click on the heading one, so it will show like this. This is the heading one, by the way. If we want to change like title, so this is, it looks like the title. Okay, okay, now Here also, like you see, like this one is the clear formatting. Okay, this clear formatting we sometimes we use, basically most of the time we use, like let's say you copied some information, okay, and that information has some links, hyperlink. So do you know what is the hyperlink? Hyperlink is like this is the text, and this text is hyperlinked. That means behind the scene, this text has a link, and if you click on this text, it will navigate to you that link. Okay, and also another thing, like we pasted, and it will take the color from there. It will take the formation, all the formation from there. So I don't want that formation. So what I can do, simply wait, let me copy from somewhere so that I can show you. uh, mm, let's say I copied this and paste here. So here you can see that is red, then it's also underlined, it's also italic, it's also bold, all the text. But I don't want this format here. Okay, so what I can do, simply I can select this and I can click here, clear formatting. Okay, see, it's removed all the formation. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to like make all of these the same of this text. I mean, whatever font size here, whatever font is selected here, okay, all the things like this one, because here you can see that the text font size is not matching, right? So simply what I can do, I can select some one or two lines here and then click format painter. Okay, after selecting this format painter, that which one you want to change the format, just select that. See, it's changed. Did you understand this?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so like it's very handy tools. So like if you see that yeah, something I got, but it's not matching the font, it's not matching the font size with my previous text, so that time you can just select that text, then click on this formation, I mean this icon, and then just select that, it will update you, it will just add this one. So this tool is called the format painter. Okay, then okay, so now here in this three dots, you can see like strike through. So strike through is like if I want to put a strike through on any text, uh, last just I want to put a strike through here, so it will show like this. Okay, and also like here if I select this, here you can see subscript and superscript. So subscript it will show you like this, like sometimes we use the date, right? So 8th, though it will do automatically. Okay, but if we want to do something manually, so for that time you can just select and then you can just make it subscript. Subscript will go down and the superscript will go the up one. Okay, and then also from here you can change the case, like if you want to change all the case into lowercase, if you want to change all the case into uppercase, you can do this here also. And also if you want to change all the like toggle case, or if you want to do like I want to do every first letter will be the capital, so I just simply click here, change case, and then capitalize each word. See, done. You don't need to go remove all the, like, you have already a documentation, and your manager said that